Welcome to the Secret Chef. It's me, Chef Gazpacho. We'll make a beautiful recipe today that will make your mama so proud. Here is the name of today's dish. Doesn't this look good? My belly is trembling. I just gotta eat it. Let's take a look at our ingredients before I get too hungry. Those are gonna cook up so nice. Now let's mix these together. Smells good. Now I'm gonna cook it up with that special gazpacho touch. Ta-da! Oh no, Mama's gonna be mad. Maybe you can help. I know Mama said to use these two foods. You try to find out number 3. I hope you enjoy my little show. Remember, keep cooking.
The Secret Chef was brought to you by